Video we will make some refactoring for uh, making use of a middleware, as well as we will see how to update the user info as well as user password. So first you have to go to your project and create this folder called middlewares. Inside that, create auth.go, and here you can see I have created two methods. So first one is authenticated. Now I have copied everything which was present over here. You might have some code, so I have copied it over from there, auth controller, to over here, so you can make the same changes. The reason being, like, we would be using this code again and again, so we don't want to repeat this code. And once this code is successful, we are moving on to the next request. So whenever you are trying to make a request to user info or logout, first this code will run. If everything is successful, then it will call the user info or the next request, user info or the logout request. Same for user id, same code as above, but here we are extracting the user id which was present in the payload subject and returning it back. If not, then we are returning 0 and error as well. Next, in routes.go, I have made some changes. Like previous, I have created this admin authenticated, uh, which like checks whether the user has been authenticated or not. So all the authenticated routes are moved like below this, so that like whenever you are trying to access this user logout or user slash info user slash password, it will first check whether it is an authenticated user or not. If yes, then only it will run this apis. Next, inside auth-controller.go, you have to change for update info. Again, same thing as usual, like we are passing the first name, last name and email which the user has sent. You don't have to pass all the fields. Like even if you pass the first name, it will just update the first name. Okay. And here we are calling the updates. Make sure it is updates with an s to update the user. Same for password as well. We require password and password confirm, and we get the user of the we get the id of the user. We are getting the user, then we are updating the password. So here you can see, like, I have done some changes. So this is my user. Okay, rohit@gmail.com 12345. Now I will do a get user as well. Okay, so here you can see the first name is rohit1. Now I will just so you can update all the three, but for now I will just update the username, first name, sorry. So I will make it as Saurav. Okay. Oh, sorry. This should there. Okay. So here you might get confused that okay, the last name and email are empty, but don't worry about it. Like, we have not updated the last name and email, that's why it is showing empty. But if you go to the get user, it will show properly. The Saurav, the last name and the email is still intact. Now I will update the password as well. Make it as 6. Okay, I'm not sure why this is not printing. Maybe you have to do another query to the database to get first name, last name and email. But any which ways, the password is updated as well. Like if I try to log in with the old password, you will get an error. Okay, but now I will try to log in with the new password. It works. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.